Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something every trader should know: how to cut your trading costs in half when trading on BingX through financesolutes.com. If you've ever felt that trading fees are slowly eating into your profits, this video is for you. Because with BingX Backcom, you can save up to 50% on your trading fees, while keeping your trading completely safe, fast, and transparent. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to claim your BingX Backcom rebates. Step by step, we'll go through two cases: one for traders who already have a BingX account and one for those who are just getting started. If you're new to BingX, the setup process is super simple. All you need to do is click the registration link from financesolutes.com. I've included it right below this video. Registering through that link automatically connects your account to the rebate program, so you'll never miss any cashback benefits. Once you're on the BingX homepage, click Register. You can sign up using your email address or phone number and set a secure password. If you use the financesolutes.com link, the referral code will automatically appear. But if you're signing up manually, make sure to enter the referral code correctly. That's what activates your cashback. Next, click Verify and complete your KYC verification using your passport, ID card, or driver's license. The process only takes a few minutes, and once verified, you're ready to trade and start earning rebates immediately. Now, if you already have a BingX account but haven't been receiving rebates, don't worry. You can still fix it. Simply transfer your verified identity to a new account that's linked to financesolutes.com, and you'll start earning cashback right away. Here's how. Create a new BingX account with a different email or phone number, but don't verify it yet. Then, log into your current BingX account and withdraw all your funds before starting the identity transfer. Remember, once you initiate the transfer, there'll be a 24-hour hold on withdrawals from both accounts, so make sure to plan ahead. Next, open the BingX app, tap your profile icon in the top left corner, go to Settings, then under Verification, select Transfer Identity. Follow the on-screen steps, and once the transfer is complete, your new account will be verified while the old one becomes unverified. After that, deposit your funds into the new account, and from then on, all your trades will qualify for cashback rebates through financesolutes.com. So to wrap things up, BingX Backcom is one of the easiest and most effective ways to reduce your trading costs. You can save up to 50% on fees without affecting your trading speed, spreads, or execution quality. It's a completely transparent, automatic system that puts real money back in your pocket every single day. If you haven't activated your rebate yet, now's the perfect time. Follow the steps I mentioned, whether you're setting up a brand new account or reconnecting an existing one, and you'll start receiving cashback automatically on every trade. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any upcoming trading guides, cashback tutorials, and profit-boosting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.